Welcome to this energetic shielding meditation, designed to help you ground into the earth, clear away negativity, and protect your radiant light. If you've been feeling drained, overwhelmed, or energetically exposed, this practice will bring you back into alignment, peace, and power. Take a deep breath, and let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down and gently close your eyes. Take a long, slow inhale through your nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale through your mouth with a sigh. Let yourself settle. Feel your body begin to relax. Your shoulders melt away from your ears. Your jaw softens. Your hands open. Now bring your awareness to your feet. Imagine roots, thick, ancient, golden roots, growing from the soles of your feet, spiraling deep into the earth. These roots reach down through the layers of soil, rock, and crystal, down to the earth's glowing core. Feel the steady, grounding energy of Gaia rising up to meet you. Let it anchor you. Let it hold you. With every breath, draw that earth energy up through your roots, into your legs, your hips, your spine, your heart. You are grounded. You are safe. Now bring your attention to the space around your body, your aura, your energetic field. With your next breath, imagine a gentle wave of golden light pouring down from above, like warm sunlight after a storm. It flows through the crown of your head, washing over you, clearing away any energy that is not yours to carry. Feel this golden light move through your thoughts, your emotions, your body, sweeping away tension, worry, fear, or energetic debris. As it flows, it leaves behind clarity, peace, and light. If anything feels heavy or stuck, imagine it gently dissolving into the golden stream, transmuted into light, returning to source. Now that your energy is clear and grounded, let's build your energetic shield. Visualize a radiant orb of light beginning to glow from your heart, bright, warm, and powerful. This light expands outward, wrapping you in a luminous cocoon. You might see it as shimmering gold, soft white, deep indigo, or even rainbow light. Whatever color feels most protective to you. This is your energetic shield, strong, yet flexible. It allows love in and radiates your light out, but it gently blocks what doesn't serve you. Negativity, judgment, fear, overwhelm. Feel how safe it is inside this sacred space. Your energy is sovereign. Your light is precious. You are held. You are protected. You can strengthen this shield with intention. Silently repeat in your mind, I am safe. I am sovereign. I am surrounded by divine protection. Let this affirmation pulse through your field. Feel the energy respond. Now take a few minutes to simply be inside this calm, clear, protected space. Let your breath be gentle. Notice how your body feels. Notice how your mind feels. Know that this energetic shield will stay with you. You can return to it any time. It is always within you. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one final deep breath in. And exhale fully. When you're ready, open your eyes. You are grounded. You are protected. You are light.